Welcome to this first webinar of the SIENNA, SHERPA and PANELFIT projects, setting future ethical standards for ICT, big data, smart information systems, artificial intelligence, and robotics. That's a mouthful. In this shared webinar, we want to tell you about the three projects. These are currently the three largest European projects focused on ethical and human rights aspects of information and communication technology, especially big data, artificial intelligence, and data processing and transfer. So my name is Brey. I am coordinator of the SIENNA project. And I will start off by a shared introduction, also on behalf of the coordinators of SHERPA and PANELFIT, of our three projects. So as you can see here, the coordinator of the SHERPA project is Professor Bernd Staal in the UK. And in Spain, we have the coordinators of PANELFIT, Inigo de Miguel Brey and Carlos Marie Romeo. Our next steps going forward, this is our next slide. So these are three European projects funded by the European Union's Horizon 2020 scheme. They are projects aimed to help improve existing ethical, human rights and legal frameworks for ICT development and research in Europe. They all started almost simultaneously, roughly in the same year. They're both all three of them 3.5-year projects. So because of the overlap in focus, we have decided to collaborate. So what do these acronyms actually mean? Because our names are acronyms. SIENNA means Stakeholder Informed Ethics for New Technologies with High Socioeconomic and Human Rights Impact. SHERPA means Shaping the Ethical Dimensions of Smart Information Systems, a European Perspective. And PANELFIT is Participatory Approaches to a New Ethical and Legal Framework for ICT. That doesn't yet tell you everything about the projects, but it's a start. So we're all concerned with ethical, legal, and human rights aspects of information and communication technology with different emphasis and focus. But so why collaborate? Well, we want to actually co-create outputs with and for policymakers and stakeholders and end users. We think if we co-create outputs, they will be better outputs and more effective outputs. We also want to deliver complementary guidance for software developers, industry, policymakers, researchers, and citizens. Again, by developing our guidance together, we can achieve more mass and focus. We also want to ensure that expertise and experiences that we have can help improve existing policy and the policy-making process. And we want to build synergies for optimal communication and dissemination policy to maximize the impact of our projects. So these are all good reasons to collaborate, we think. Here you see a picture depicting the different focus of our projects. So we're all concerned with three topics: AI, big data, and data sharing. And of course, there's a lot of activity in these areas currently. Everything nowadays seems to be about data and about AI in the ICT field. The SIENNA project, first of all, has perhaps the largest focus on artificial intelligence. It considers the full field of artificial intelligence as well as robotics. And we also look at human enhancement and genomics. So we don't only look at ICT. And we study ethics and human rights implications. The SHERPA project has a focus on AI and big data, and especially the combination of the two, how big data systems and applications are becoming more and more intelligent, and what are the ethical and human rights implications of that. And then finally, PANELFIT has a big focus on data and data sharing. It looks broadly at information and communication technology. It has mostly a legal perspective. It looks particularly at data commercialization, informed consent, and cybersecurity. So you see there's overlap between these three interests, and we want to exploit that overlap. So this then marks the start of an active European collaboration in the ethics and human rights of emerging digital technologies. And we hope you will enjoy our presentations. After the webinar, you will receive an email with more information on how to connect with us and engage with us, because we cannot do this without your help. To make these projects successful, stakeholder engagement and interaction is very important to us. So we look forward to your input. Thank you very much.